Gusto kong mag-franchise pero hindi ko alam kung paano. Top 10 things that you should know before kayo mag-franchise dito sa Pilipinas. And but not the least, learn from the existing franchise owner. Siyempre, once you sign the contract with the franchisor or the brand owner, you get those experience, you gather all of the experience of the other branch owner. Sila yung the best mentor na makukuha bukod sa franchisor na ano ba yung magiging challenges ko. Ito yung ginawa ko, ganon. Mga ganong bagay. You get along. You converse. You talk with them. Hindi yung magsasarili ka na nag-franchise ka lang, ganon ka lang, ganon. Tutok ka lang talaga, tutok. Ganon. Join franchise expos in the Philippines. Explore. Kahit na nag-franchise ka na, explore other things. Explore the things that you feel na you're very fit to that. Kasi sinimulan mo na eh. Ituloy-tuloy mo na. Seek advice from the franchise consultants. Yan, isang bagay na hindi nawawala sa akin kahit na nagbe-business na ako. I recently joined, a few years ago, I joined Philippine Franchise Emerging Concept, yung next gen. Yan, naging top 5 ako doon. And kahit di ako nanalo, ang dami kong nabaon. And from there, naging hungry for more learning pa ako. I never stop learning. I'm investing in myself. Kaya din, nasabi ko sa sarili ko na, mag-content creation na ako kasi ang dami ko nang alam na ang sarap i-share sa ibang tao. Thank you so much. Follow me on my social media page. Click the subscribe button below. Magtulungan tayo so that we will be the next future success stories. Thank you. Bye.